Welcome to all of you friends in my YouTube channel, Dr. Mahadev Suwarnkar. I am working as an assistant professor at B.Sc-III Mahavidyalaya, Case, District Bid. Our college, B.Sc-III Mahavidyalaya, Case, is affiliated to the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. In this video, I am going to present the syllabus of B.Sc second year, third semester. The paper number is 9 and name of the paper is Organic Chemistry. Friends, in this paper number 9 Organic Chemistry, we have to study the 5 chapters. The first chapter is alcohols, the second chapter is phenols, the third chapter is aldehydes and ketones, the fourth chapter is carboxylic acids, and the fifth chapter is organic compounds of nitrogen. In the first chapter, we have to study the first of all what is meant by alcohol or the definition of alcohols. In the next point, we have to study how is the acidic nature of alcohols. In the next point, we have to study the monohydric alcohols. So here, how monohydric alcohols can be prepared from aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and esters. And next point is here reactions of alcohols. Again, we have to study in this chapter the next point is dihydric alcohols. In this, we have to study how dihydric alcohols are prepared from ethylene glycol, a very well-known industrial method, and the oxidation of alkene by OSO4. That is, dihydric alcohols is prepared by the oxidation of alkenes by using osmium tetroxide. In the next point, we will discuss the chemical reactions of ethylene glycol, nitration, acylation, oxidation by using lead tetraacetate and very well-known pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. In the next point, we have to study the trihydric alcohols. In this, we have to study the preparation of glycerol from propane and reactions of glycerol. In the second chapter, we have to study the phenols. So what is meant by phenols? What are the preparation methods of phenols? Or how phenols are get prepared from chlorobenzene, cumene, benzene sulfonic acid, etc. In the next point, we will discuss the physical properties of phenols. Means here, what are the melting point or boiling point of phenols? What are the solubility of phenols? How is physical appearance of all these phenolic compounds? We have to discuss here. In the next point, we have to study the acidic nature of phenol and resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion. Here, the phenol has a OH group, and by the donation of that hydrogen, it forms the phenoxide ion, and if it donates proton, hence it is acidic in nature, and after donating hydrogen, there is a formation of O negative charge on the phenoxide ion, and that O negative charge delocalizes on the aromatic ring of phenol. Hence, that resonance stabilization also we have to discuss here. In the next point, we will study the chemical reactions. In this, there are two types of chemical reactions, that is with mechanism and without mechanism. In without mechanism, we will discuss the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, acylation reactions, and carboxylation reactions. Here, electrophilic aromatic substitution means electrophile is get attached to the phenol compounds, and acylation, carboxylation in the same manner. Acyl group and carboxyl group are get attached to the phenolic compounds. In case of with mechanism, we will discuss the different reactions like intramolecular Fries rearrangement reaction, Claisen rearrangement reaction, next one is Getterman synthesis reaction, and another one is Rimmer-Timon reaction. So all these are very interesting reaction mechanisms are here. We will discuss in the phenolic chapter. Then we will move towards the next chapter, that is aldehydes and ketones. A very much interesting and very important chapter to all of you. In this, first of all, we have to study what is meant by aldehydes. Again, what are the preparation methods of aldehydes by using acid chloride and Gattermann-Koch synthesis. Again, we will discuss what is meant by ketones. What are the preparation methods of ketones by using nitriles and carboxylic acid. Then we will discuss the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Means aldehydes or ketones have different their melting points or boiling points, their different solubility property, and also their different physical appearance. All these properties we will discuss in physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. The next point we will study the chemical reactions. Here, mechanism of nucleophilic additions to carbonyl group. Means any nucleophile when get added to the C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. So how any nucleophile is get added on the carbonyl group and reaction mechanism carried out. So this key point mechanism we will discuss in this point here. Again, on that key point discussion, on that basis of the mechanism of above, that is nucleophile get added on the carbonyl group, we will discuss the next point, that is aldol and Navier condensation reactions. Next reaction we will discuss the managed reaction, use of acetals as protecting group, oxidation by using chromium trioxide. Chromium trioxide has formula CrO3, and if there is a oxygen more in number, that compounds are called as oxidizing agent, and by using oxidizing agent when reactions carried out, that type of reactions is called as oxidation type of reactions. So thus this type of reactions we will discuss here. The next reaction is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. In this the ketone is get converted to ester, means C double bond O group converted to C double bond O single bond O group. So here just this reaction is an insertion of oxygen reaction, a very interesting and very important reaction in organic chemistry. Then we move towards the next chapter, that is carboxylic acids. Again also very important chapter, and in this first point we will discuss the acidity of carboxylic acids. Next point is effects of substituents on acid strength. See here, different substituents get attached on the carboxylic acids. For example, electron donating substituents or electron withdrawing substituents. So on the basis of attachment of these two different types of substituents, we can find out the acidic nature of carboxylic acids. So all these points we will discuss in the point of effects of substituents on acid strength. The next point is preparation methods. The preparation of carboxylic acids from carbon dioxide, nitriles, acid chloride, anhydride, ester and amide. All these reactions we will discuss in the point of preparation methods of carboxylic acids. The next point is physical properties. Again we will discuss what are the melting point or boiling point of carboxylic acids, what are the solubility or solubility properties of carboxylic acids, how its physical appearance, its nature. All these points we will discuss in the physical properties of carboxylic acids. The next point is chemical reactions. In the chemical reactions of carboxylic acids, we will discuss the synthesis of acid chloride, ester and amide synthesis by using carboxylic acids, Hell-Ollard-Zaleski reaction, reduction using LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride, mechanism of decarboxylation, hydroxyl acids like malic acid, tartaric acid and citric acid, methods of preparation and chemical reactions of acrylic acid. So all these reactions we will discuss in the point of chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. Then we move towards the last chapter of this semester, that is organic compounds of nitrogen. In this chapter we will discuss the first point is nitro compounds. So in this we have to study what is meant by nitro compounds, or any organic compound when get attached to NO2 group is called as nitro compounds. The next point here we will discuss the preparation methods of nitro compounds by using nitroalkanes and nitroarenes. So here chemical reactions of nitro compounds, that is nitroalkanes, nitration of benzene and their reduction in acidic, neutral and basic media. In the next point again we will discuss the amine compounds. So what is meant by amine compounds? When any organic compound containing NH2 group, that type of compounds are called as amine compounds. Again we will discuss the basicity of amines, amine salt as PTC, and in the next point the preparation methods of amines. So here amines are prepared by using alkyl and aryl amines, that is reduction of NO2 and cyanide group. It is called as reductive amination. So here just hydrogen atom is get attached to NO2 and hence NO2 converted to NH2, and in the case of cyanide, that is C triple bond N is get converted to CH2 single bond NH2. So these reactions are called as reductive amination type of reactions. The next point is Hoffman bromamide reaction. We will discuss here. Again in the chemical reactions we will discuss the electrophilic aromatic substitution in aryl amines and also reactions of amines with nitrous acid. So all these reactions we will discuss in the chemical reactions here. So these all are the 5 chapters we have to study in this semester, and all these 5 chapters are designed so as to enhance the maximum knowledge of organic chemistry. Thank you very much. Friends, if you like my video then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to get notification of another educational videos, please press the bell icon and you will get the notifications of my videos. Thank you very much.